What if I told you the largest volcano in the solar system isn't on Earth, but on Mars? And that somewhere out there, a planet made of diamonds might actually exist. Space is stranger and more mind-blowing than you think, and today, I'm going to prove it. Let's begin our journey on the mysterious red planet, Mars. While Earth is home to some truly breathtaking mountains, Mars takes things to a whole new level. Imagine a landscape so alien, so vast, that it makes even our tallest peak seem small in comparison. Here, the horizon stretches endlessly under a pinkish sky, and the surface is marked by ancient scars from volcanoes and meteor impacts. Rising from this dramatic terrain is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano and the tallest planetary mountain in our entire solar system. It's not just a Martian wonder, it's a cosmic giant dwarfing anything found on Earth. Scientists believe Olympus Mons has been shaped by countless eruptions, each one adding layer upon layer to its immense structure. Olympus Mons towers an astonishing 13.6 miles or 22 kilometers above the Martian plains. That's more than 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's highest peak. If you placed Olympus Mons on Earth, its summit would reach far into the stratosphere, piercing the clouds and dominating the skyline of any continent. The base of Olympus Mons is equally mind-blowing. It stretches over 370 miles or 600 kilometers across, about the size of the entire state of Arizona. The mountain is so wide that if you stood on its edge, the summit would be hidden beyond the curve of the planet, lost to the horizon. It's a landscape so vast it's almost impossible to grasp from the ground. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano formed by the slow, steady outpouring of lava over billions of years. Unlike explosive volcanoes on Earth, shield volcanoes build up gently sloping sides, creating a massive, sprawling structure. The Martian crust, combined with a lack of tectonic plate movement, allowed Olympus Mons to grow to its incredible size without being destroyed or eroded away. And here's a wild fact. Thanks to Mars's lower gravity, just 38% of Earth's, you could theoretically leap from the summit and survive the fall, given the right equipment. The experience would be unlike anything possible on Earth, a testament to the strange and wonderful extremes our universe has to offer. Olympus Mons isn't just a mountain, it's a monument to the power and mystery of planetary forces beyond our world. In space, no one can hear you scream, or can they? NASA captured eerie audio from a black hole cluster 250 million light-years away by amplifying sound waves in the hot gas around it. The result? A ghostly symphony from the depths of space. Turns out the universe has its own soundtrack if you know how to listen. Meet 55 Cancri E, a planet twice Earth's size, likely made of pure diamond. Orbiting its star in just 18 hours, it's blasted by heat and pressure that could turn carbon into diamond. If we could mine it, it'd be worth a fortune. For now, it's a sparkling reminder of the wild diversity of worlds beyond our solar system. When we think of the coldest places in the universe, we might imagine the vast, empty stretches between galaxies, far from any source of heat or light. But surprisingly, the coldest known spot isn't in some remote, forgotten corner of the cosmos. It's actually right here in our own Milky Way galaxy, in a mysterious and beautiful object called the Boomerang Nebula. The Boomerang Nebula is so cold, it defies what we expect from the universe. Its temperature drops to a staggering minus 457.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or just 1 degree above absolute zero. That's even colder than the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, which fills all of space at a chilly minus 454 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, this nebula is the coldest natural place we've ever found. What makes the Boomerang Nebula so frigid? At its heart lies a dying star, nearing the end of its life. As it runs out of fuel, the star sheds its outer layers in a dramatic outflow of gas. This gas expands rapidly into the surrounding space, and as it does, it cools at an extraordinary rate, much faster than the background temperature of the universe itself. Astronomers study the Boomerang Nebula to understand the incredible extremes that stars can reach as they die. By observing its structure and temperature, scientists gain insight into the final, fleeting moments of stellar evolution and the powerful forces that shape the cosmos. The Boomerang Nebula reminds us that even in the vast emptiness of space, there are places where temperatures plunge to unimaginable lows, colder than anywhere else we know. It's a testament to the universe's endless capacity for surprise and wonder. Ever wondered what space smells like? Astronauts say it's a mix of burnt steak, hot metal, and gunpowder. The scent comes from high-energy particles, byproducts of dying stars clinging to spacesuits. When astronauts return inside, those particles release that odd aroma. Next time you grill, imagine you're catching a whiff of the cosmos. Galaxies aren't just peaceful islands floating serenely in the vastness of space. Far from it. Each one is a swirling city of billions, sometimes trillions of stars, gas, dust, and mysterious dark matter, all bound together by gravity. But these cosmic metropolises are not isolated. Over billions of years they drift, drawn together by invisible gravitational threads, setting the stage for dramatic encounters. When galaxies meet, they don't simply pass by, they collide and devour each other in a spectacular dance. This process, known as galactic cannibalism, can last hundreds of millions of years. Stars rarely crash head-on, but their combined gravity warps and stretches each galaxy, flinging stars into new orbits and triggering bursts of star formation as clouds of gas collide and compress. Our own Milky Way is no stranger to this cosmic drama. It has swallowed up many smaller galaxies in its past, leaving behind faint streams of stars as evidence, ghostly trails that arc across the sky, remnants of ancient mergers. These stellar streams are like fingerprints, telling the story of our galaxy's violent history, and the biggest event is yet to come. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will meet its match, the Andromeda Galaxy. Both are racing toward each other at hundreds of kilometers per second, destined to merge in a slow-motion collision that will reshape both galaxies forever. This epic encounter will not destroy Earth, but it will transform our cosmic neighborhood. The two galaxies will blend into a single, enormous elliptical galaxy, scattering stars and gas in all directions. The night sky will be filled with dazzling new patterns of stars, and the familiar band of the Milky Way will vanish, replaced by a new, unfamiliar vista. Imagine looking up and seeing a sky ablaze with new stars, nebulae, and swirling clouds of cosmic dust. The constellations we know today will be unrecognizable, forever altered by the grand merger unfolding above us. Galactic collisions are like cosmic fireworks. Spectacular, powerful, and awe-inspiring. They unleash energy and creativity on a scale that's almost impossible to comprehend, forging new stars and reshaping the universe itself. The universe is always in motion. Even galaxies, the grandest structures we know, are subject to change, forever evolving, colliding and merging in an endless cosmic dance. Something massive, the Great Attractor, is pulling our galaxy toward it at over 1.3 million miles per hour. Hidden behind the Milky Way, we can't see it, but we know it's there by how galaxies move. Whether it's a supercluster or something stranger, it's a reminder that the universe still holds secrets we haven't even begun to solve. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Imagine celebrating your birthday before the sun rises. Venus proves even our closest neighbors can be truly bizarre. Neutron stars are the densest objects in the universe. Imagine the sun's mass squeezed into a city-sized sphere. A teaspoon of neutron star would weigh billions of tons. Born from supernova explosions, these stars spin rapidly, emitting beams of radiation as pulsars. They're cosmic lighthouses, flashing across the universe. Neutron stars show just how extreme the cosmos can get. When we look at the night sky, we're seeing light that's traveled billions of years. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years, but that's just what we can see. The real universe could be infinite, making us a mere drop in a cosmic ocean. It's humbling to realize how much is still out there, waiting to be discovered. From diamond planets to cosmic collisions, we've only scratched the surface of the universe's wonders. Which fact blew your mind? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more space stories. Thanks for watching. And keep looking up. You never know what you'll discover next.